Before getting into our experiment, let's get some background knowledge. What is a buffer? A buffer solution is a solution that resists changes in pH when small quantities of an acid or an alkaline are added to it. A buffer solution has to contain things which will remove any hydrogen ions or hydroxide ions that you might add to it. If not, the pH will change.
Weak versus strong acids. A weak acid is an acid that dissociates incompletely, releasing only some of its hydrogen atoms into the solution. This solution will get to equilibrium much slower and it will have a smaller pH change. Strong acids completely dissociate, releasing all of their hydrogen atoms when dissolved in water. This solution will reach equilibrium much faster and the change in pH will be much greater.
How to perform a 2-point calibration. 1. Connect the sensor to the LabQuest. The sensor reading will be displayed. 2. Choose Calibrate from the sensor's menu and tap Calibrate now. 3. Prepare the sensor for the first point by removing the storage bottle from the electrode, then rinse the tip of the sensor with distilled water. Place the sensor in the first standard solution so the tip is immersed. 4. Enter the known value for the reading 15. When the voltage reading stabilizes, tap Keep. 6. Prepare the sensor for the second calibration point by rinsing the sensor with distilled water. Place it in the second standard solution. 7. Enter the known value for reading 2. When the voltage reading stabilizes, tap Keep. 8. Tap OK to complete the calibration process. After calibrating the pH meter, we start off our experiment by measuring the pH of our known buffers. To ensure accurate measurements, we thoroughly rinse the probe with deionized water after each use. Don't forget to shake off excess water.
We then rinsed the probe with distilled water and placed it into the second buffer and recorded our observations.
When we are finished measuring the pH of the buffers, we rinse the probe once more and place the probe back into its storage container.
Next, we are going to measure the pH of some common household items like water, orange juice, and apple juice.
We will be repeating the same steps for measuring these pH values as we did for measuring the pH values of our buffer solutions. Rinse and repeat, baby.
After we have finished collecting our pH data, we can take a look at our recorded pH values.
Lastly, we need to clean up our lab bench and properly put away our pH meter. Don't forget to power off your pH meter. That's all, folks. I hope you enjoyed our video.